Using the symptoms of a broken process explained in the previous lesson, you may end up with more than one process to improve. But it is most likely that you or your team may not be able or will not have the time to kickstart more than one improvement project at a time. Hence, you will need to prioritize the list of broken processes, then select the process with the highest priority to start with. For that, it is a good practice to follow certain rules or a procedure to keep the selection process consistent and objective rather than being a subjective effort. In this lesson, you will be introduced to an effective tool that is commonly used in the selection process of an option amongst many others, based on predefined criteria. This tool is called the prioritization matrix. Selecting a broken process when you have multiple broken processes should be done in an objective way, meaning that based on numbers and calculations rather than being based on gut feeling. For this, the process prioritization matrix is an effective tool to achieve this. At the beginning, you list all candidate processes in a table format. Then, you define the selection criteria, such as cost-saving potential, level of quality problems in the process, amount of process cycle time, frustration level, and so on. Usually, the criteria is defined by consensus amongst all process owners. Once the criteria is defined, you and the process owners need to set criteria weights. In other words, the importance of each criterion relative to other criteria elements. After that, you score each process against each criterion relative to other processes. For example, if process A has a potential for cost saving by 100%, while process B has 25% potential in cost saving compared to process A, then you can give process A a score of 10 points, while process B takes 2.5 points. And finally, you calculate the total score for each process across the entire criteria. Then select the one with the highest score. Let's walk through an example of the prioritization matrix.